look at the questions that you're searching for: how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners, generally just how to make money with affiliate marketing in Nigeria. The first question I'm going to be answering is how to make money with affiliate marketing in Nigeria. There's this my friend Choma, her dad's birthday was around the corner, so she asked me like, Victor, what do you think I can get for my dad? And I was like, get him watch. She said no. Get him shoes. She said no. Get him box of chocolates. She said, are you mad? Then I thought about it. I said, why don't you get him sketch of him, a pencil sketch of him? Then she now said, wow. And you see, the funny thing is that I normally used to repost one of my artist friends' work on my status. He's an artist, so he paints, he draws, he sketches. So I used to post his work on my status. So she now remembered, she now recalled and said, yes, I used to see you post those sketches on your status. Please, can you talk to the person that does it? Because she knows obviously I'm not the one that does it. And I said, yes, I'm going to talk to the person. So I now asked her, what is your budget? She said 30,000 is my budget. So I now texted my artist friend and I told him, how far, I'll need a work from you and can you do me discount? And I asked him, how much do you charge for this sketch? And my friend said he charged 20,000. And I said, fine, I have a work for you and this is what I want you to do. And boom, I gave him the job. He did it and I got 10,000 naira commission from that. Can you see? Now, what is that? That is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to explain certain things for you to understand. One of the major reasons why Choma decided to say, do these things for me is because she trusts me. So I want you to understand this thing. Now, you see, when it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the most important things is to make people trust you. Now, the question is, how do you start affiliate marketing, right? Good. So now, one, how do you start affiliate marketing is get a product. Let's say this power bank now, you want to affiliate for it. Where are you going to find the product? So you can find the product whether in a physical store, and then you talk to the person that I want to affiliate for your product and then give me a commission, or you can get digital products. So where do you get digital products? You get digital products on websites like StakeCots, on Seller.co, Expertnear, a lot of these other platforms where you can get. And also you can get affiliate products from the G4G affiliate marketing program. That is my own personal affiliate marketing school. So you can just talk to me. The link is going to be on the description if you want to get access to my own products. Now let me use my own products for an example here. Now when you sign up to the G4G affiliate marketing program, what you're going to get is all of these products here. You can see these are the products you're going to get. So on 140 plus WhatsApp TVs, you can get YouTube monetization with AI and ChatGPT for 8,000. This one is 1,000, but it's 5,000 the actual price, but it's 1,000. This 8,000. This is 20,000. This 100 plus digital courses. This is all the affiliate marketing programs in Nigeria. This is even free. So you can see a lot of courses here, a lot of products that you can resell and get a commission. 50% commission is what you're going to get from all of these courses here, and the products are always going to be updated. So let's say for instance this particular product, which is called all the 140 plus WhatsApp TVs and influencers. So this particular product gives you access to 100 plus TVs and influencers in Nigeria that you can use to promote your own business. You see, if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you have to be intentional about what you're doing. You have to be present about what you're doing. You don't just go to all these platforms and just take any product anyhow. You don't just take any product anyhow just because they say you should go and take products from these platforms and then you just copy your link and just go and be pasting it anyhow. You have to sit down and think, okay, this particular product I'm taking, I want to resell to people. This particular product I'm taking, I want to affiliate. Can I actually affiliate this product to people? Can I market this product to people? How intensely do people need this product? So something like this particular product now that I picked, which is the 140 plus TVs. You can see there's a lot of business that wants their business to reach more eyeballs. There's a lot of personal brands that want more people to see their business, so they need this kind of information, this kind of product. So it's very easy for me to sell this product to business people, and they're going to pay. And guess what? The price for this product is just 1,000 naira, and I'm going to get 500 naira commission from it. So if I just post this on my status and I'm able to explain this thing, how the importance of this product is to people, then I make 500 naira. Now do the mathematics. Now if I sell this product to 10 people, I get like 5,000 in a day. So you can imagine 10 people is, just think about it, selling this product to 10 people is very, very easy. They actually need it, and it's just 1,000 naira. So people are not going to be like, it's too expensive and stuff. So it's easier to sell this product as an affiliate marketer. So I'm explaining certain things to you and making you understand that it's easy for you to start affiliate marketing and start making sales if you know what you're doing. doing, if you're intentional about what you're doing, just sit down and think, okay, this product I want to take and start to resell, do people need it? How well do people need it? I'm not going to push a lot of inputs in making sure that I make a sale. These are things you have to think of as a beginner in affiliate marketing. You understand? So I would recommend you join the G4G affiliate marketing program. You get access to all of these products. Now let me explain something to you. The G4G affiliate marketing program is of two types. The first is the school, the second is just the program. So if you sign up for the program, you can just talk to me. Click the link under the description. It's going to take you to my WhatsApp. You can just chat me up. Hi Victor, I want to join the G4G affiliate marketing program and get access to this product. I can make you an affiliate, but I'm not going to teach you anything about marketing. You can go market it and make your own commissions yourself. But if you want to join the school where I have my students, where you're going to get access to our personal website and you're going to get access to my own personal mentorship, then it's 20,000 naira. These are the two things. Pick whichever you want. So now after I've gotten my referral link for this particular product, you can see it here. So you can see this is the sample. This is how whoever wants to buy it, when someone click on the link, it's going to bring him here. Just tap on buy and it's automatically just going to buy it. Just tap on checkout and the person is going to just buy it straight. So when I get the link of this product, what I have to do is just to come to a notepad and paste the link here. The next thing is I will go to ChatGPT because I want to start to create content. I want to be strategic about creating certain content that I'm going to be posting on my status or wherever to introduce this particular product to people and then persuade them to buy this product from me, which is the 140. Okay, let me see. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's talk. So if you're looking for where to buy cheap data subscription from, an airtime, CAC registration, and NIN slip download, you can go to this website called cheaperdata.com.ng. There's a lot of features, so just go to cheaperdata.com.ng. You can get all of these things there at a very affordable price. Go to cheaperdata.com.ng, get cheap data subscription, airtime, and all of these other features. You can also resell this data to people and make profit out of it. cheaperdata.com.ng. Connecting Nigeria one bundle at a time. Don't allow anything to stop your work. Don't allow your data to finish. You have a lot of things to do. You have a lot of people to meet. You have a lot of sales to make. You have a lot of customers to attend to. You have a lot of loved ones to connect with. Go to cheaperdata.com.ng, register an account, and enjoy cheap data subscription. Plus TVs. Now when you come to ChatGPT, I want you to write this exactly the way you see it. I want to affiliate with a product that contains 140 plus WhatsApp TVs. Write me 2 weeks content pitch and organize them in the format of each day and the pitch. So now when you write that to ChatGPT or whatever platform, AI platform, chatbot that you have, this is what it's going to give you. So it's going to give you an idea. So you can see this one. Day one, introduce the product. I want your brand and message to reach thousands of people in minutes with 140 plus active WhatsApp TVs. You can advertise like a pro and get massive visibility. So now all you have to do is just to copy everything and then go keep it in your notepad. Then every single day what you're going to do is just to copy all of this like this. When you copy all of this like this, then you will go to your WhatsApp. So after you copy everything, take your phone, go to WhatsApp, write what you've copied or just paste what you've copied. You can see it literally. I've pasted what I've just copied. So paste it and then you now paste your link, or you can just write DM me. You can see it already has DM you. So when whoever DMs you the first day, then you're going to give the product. And now when you send these particular write-ups, what you can do is now to go back to your product page. You're going to screenshot your product page and then you can post it on the next status provision. The next status provision, you can post it there. So that's how you're going to do. You're going to keep on doing that for 2 weeks. So you can see this, what I mean. So you have copied this one. This is day one. You can see introduction to the product. You can see this is day one. Then you post that. You go back and copy the image of the product, post it in the next provision on your status. Come back again, this is day 2. So you come back here, say this is day 2, you copy it, paste it on your status. You come down here, this is day 3. Why WhatsApp TVs? You see instant exposure, target audience reach, high engaging rates, 400 plus WhatsApp TVs are at your service to make your brand the talk of the town. Let's make it happen. So you now put your link, or you can just say DM me, and that is how you'll be able to post every single day, or every single day for at least 2 weeks, introducing that particular product. Which particular product? This this particular product. That is if you have signed in the G4G affiliate marketing program. So if you've signed there, you can just get access to this product and promote the product with the simple way I've showed you how to do. If you got value from this video, subscribe. So that is how you can promote just this particular product I've shown you. You see, you have to be promoting things that people are looking for. So something like this, people are looking for it. Even you yourself are looking for this kind of information. So you can even buy it for yourself. These are 140 plus TVs that you can run advertisements with. These are trusted TVs. People, businesses and individuals are looking for more reach, so you can make people visible with all these WhatsApp TVs. Got value from this video? Like, subscribe and share with your friends, and make sure and turn on the notification bell so that if I drop more videos on affiliate marketing, you are going to get notified.